Hello, all. This is Rajender Chilukala here. It was my pleasure to speak at 10 Rep Summer Session, Grande Tech. It was really an honor for me to have my presentation here. Myself, this is Rajender Chilukala. I've been an assistant vice president at US Bank. So, I would like to share a few scenarios about my presentation here. Let me share my screen and have my slides one by one. So, yep, I'm an independent actor working on different banking sectors, telecom, as well as other industries in the software industry. So, I will be presented as an independent author here. And this presentation is about the AI-driven fraud detection in cloud banking with Azure. So usually this is all about the how cloud native AI transformation fraud prevention from static enforcement into a dynamic thing. Okay, in the real-time risk intelligence. So we'll be gonna discuss about this session like a step by step on the further down the screens. Okay. So the fraud landscape has changed nowadays. In the current scenario, we had about the lot of this fraud detections, right? So basically, let's say what is the fraud, how the things has been we can protect by using this AI and the infrastructure in the current generation. So fraudsters are now leverage automation, synthetic identities, coordination attacks, and AI to bypass conventional security controls. Traditional rule-based systems struggle to keep pace, generating executive false alarms while missing novel attack pattern. Financial institutions needs intelligent, adaptive, and scalable detections, capable of identifying patterns in real-time scenarios. Basically, okay. So this is one of the things which we can prevent by this, having those synthetic identities based on the concerns here. So also like a digital banking expands the attack surface. So let's say mobile apps, digital wallets, payment gateways, and cloud service have improved convenience, but also create new opportunities for cyber criminals. So this is one of the things which we use, which we see in our daily life, right? So basically, let's say like in bank transactions, so like one-to-one phone pays or whatever the payments you do, right? So usually we do have more. The generations has been changed, going to the bank. Because of going to the bank, we do everything from online, from either from your app or logging to the website. This needs to be more protected in this one-to-one transactions. If not, it will lead to a criminal fraud. Some happens, definitely it will lead to a criminal fraud detection. So we need to be about that. So let's talk about the why traditional detection falls short. So limited adaptability, excessive false alerts, delayed detection, blind to complexity. Let's talk about this AI advantage, rule-based AI driven. So basically rather than relying on manual defined rules, AI system learns from historical transaction behavior. Customer actively devise characters and characteristics and contextual information. This system continuously adapts as fraud pattern involved, detecting anomalies more accurately and respond more rapidly. So yeah, definitely rule based and AI driven base is totally a different structure where we need to things being fallen more oftenly we see in our day-to-day life as well. So let's say about the Azure Foundation for Intelligent Fraud Detection. So Azure architecture components. So let's say data collection, data processing, storage, and machine learning, decision monitoring. Let's say about data collection. Azure Events helps engage transactions, events, auth logs, and terminal from all banking channels. Whereas the data processing, Azure Streams Analytics enrich events with customer profiles, geolocation, and device data in real time. So other data lake, please also machine learning for multiple of traveling on diverse historical databases. So basically this kind of things, it could be like a kind of the architecture components which you follow in the other Azure. So AI techniques for fraud detection, enable learning, deep learning, anomaly detection, behavior analytics. Let's say about the enabling learning is multiple models combined into a unified fraud source, reducing bias and improving robustness. Deep learning, neural networks detect complex non-linear patterns across time, spending, device, and geography. Excuse me. I'm sorry for that. Yeah. Oh. So real-time detection architecture, event injection model interface, feedback loop. The fraudulent transactions are often complete within seconds, marketing real-time process essentials. So this is the graph we can see here, right? Each storage operates with minimal legacy from Azure event have been questioned through continuous and multi-region fraud access cases. Basically, the decision engine, multiple model inputs, let's say like a classification models, behavior models, risk scoring models, network relationship models, anomaly detection models. So there are a lot of possible outcomes like approve, verify, escalate, blocks, all kinds of possible outcomes here. And also reducing false positives, historical spend bits and device reputation, merchant category, authentication, confidence. This all comes overall aggressive detection, inconvenience, legitimate customer. AI improve precision by analyzing complete behavior profile, not just transition amount or location. So security, privacy, and compliance. Financial institute operates under strict regulatory requirements. Azure provides comprehensive security capabilities that support complaints, consistency, and overall the layers of the fraud detections. Okay, so like a AI system basically analyzes, mastering explainable mobile transparency, supporting regulator reporting and investigation oversight. Responsibilities, AI and governance. Okay, so model validation, fairness monitoring, theft detection, periodic review. These are the main responsibilities of AI governance. Practical implementation, keys to success. Start with specific fraud scenarios that have measurably implemented in the business values. Invest in high quality continuous validate data pipeline, also like built across functional teams, security, data science, and cloud compliance. Azure DevOps and MLOps for automated deployments. This kind of key points for the success of AI. Continuous model monitoring, model drift, data quality, performance, emerging threats. So production models require ongoing evolution. Deployment is not the finish line. Okay, so this kind of things, when we had about this model drift, data quality, and performance and emerging threats, usually we need to do all kind of these monitors in the model setup. So future generation, the next generation of fraud detection will be more intelligent, collaborative, and autonomous. The governance of real-time data stream and procedure intelligence, seamless AI human collaboration will define the boundaries of financial security. Emerging AI capabilities, generative AI, intelligence investigation supports and automated case summarization, graph neutral network, uncover hidden relationships between accounts and transactions, and federated learning, which is nothing but the collaborative model training across institutions while preserving privacy. Multimodal AI, unified intelligence, combined transaction behavior, communications, and cyber telemetry. Okay, so key takeaways from this presentation is like AI performance rules, including learning, deep learning, and behavior analytics detect fraud that static role miss. Azure enables scale, integrated service for integration, machine learning, real-time analytics, and governance from a resistant platform. And governance is non-negotiable. Explainable fairness, drift monitoring, and compliance must be built in from the start. So, building the future of secure banking, organization that embeds AI-driven cloud-native fraud detection will be better positioned to strengthen security, improve efficiency, meet regulatory obligations, and deliver safer digital banking presence in an increasing connected world. And finally, I would say thank you for this wonderful presentation, giving this opportunity for me to present my thoughts on this. So yeah, I'm happy to hear the feedback from you all of you. Thank you. Appreciate it.